Oh, sorry. I didn't realise that you were there. And they're usually sharing these. So today we're going to have a go at making bird feeders. You might notice that I've got my friends with me from Forest School. So I've got my Beat It, and I've got my woodpecker, and lastly, and my favourite, I've got my robin. And all our feathered friends at the moment might be struggling to find food because it's been so cold and the ground has got quite frozen. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a bird feeder. Now birds like seeds and they like insects like mealworms. They also like fruit, dried fruit and apples and pears and any other squishy fruits. What else do they like? They like bacon, but they don't like it cooked and they don't like it salted. They're very fussy. And lastly, they like peanuts, but not roasted peanuts, and they don't like salted peanuts. They just like fresh peanuts. So first of all, we're going to make a fat ball. So you're going to need some lard, and you're going to need some seed, which I've got in here. This seed has got mealworms in. If I show you one, just there. So what we'll do is it's a bit messy, it's a bit mushy, and the lard is a bit smelly, but we're going to give it a go. So we're going to put our seed into our bowl, and then we're going to get our hands and we're going to squidge all of the seed together with the lard. And it feels really sticky and it feels really gooey. There we go. Get a little bit more seed in here. And then once we've done that, we're going to roll it and we're going to squish it into a ball. Like that. And then we're going to break our ball in half and stick in between a piece of string. And then we're going to squish our ball back together so that the string is in the middle, like that. And there we go. You can put dried fruit in it, you could put muesli in it, you could even put little bits of peanuts in there. And then I'm going to hang it on the tree, ready for those birds, because it's so cold at the moment. A bit dirty, but I'm not going to wash my hands just yet, because I'm just going to show you another thing that you could make. If you've got a spare plastic bottle, then make sure it's nice and clean, make sure it's washed out, put a couple of holes right in the bottom so that the water can come out, so it can drain. And then we're going to get 2 sticks. You need about 5 centimetres on each side so that the birds can perch on there. Make a hole all the way through, so you can stick your stick all the way through. 2 branches should do it. And then what we'll do is make holes the size of a 5p piece all around. So once the birds are sitting on there, they can peck the seed out. Make some holes at the top to put your string over, and then fill it with seeds. So again, I've got this one, this seed, which has got mealworms in, which robins and sparrows love. So hopefully they'll be well fed over the next few days when it's really cold. So I shall hang it just about here. The lard balls are really good because they're full of protein as well, so the birds can fatten up over the winter. And that's it. So I'm just going to get back to eating my marshmallows and my biscuits because I've got no one to share them with. But I'll just go and wash my hands first. Take care everyone, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you back in Forest School soon. Bye.